Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you this very beautiful crochet flower for beginners. This is a popcorn stitch flower. For this project, I am using a number 5 steel crochet hook which is equal to 2 millimeter and a 3 ply yarn. So let's get started. You can make this flower on magic ring and on a ring of chain as well. I will make magic ring. If you want to make it on ring of chain, then you have to make 6 chains. So wrap the yarn around fingers like this and pull the second yarn through first one. Now we will start working. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch here. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this magic ring, draw up a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn again, go into this magic ring, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet. Make double crochet again into the magic ring, then a double crochet, a double crochet. So in this way we will make 24 double crochet stitches including first 3 chains. So we will make 23 double crochet stitches and 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet, total of 24. So I have completed my stitches. Now pull this starting yarn to close the magic ring and cut this yarn strand pretty long and pull it. Now with the help of needle we are going to make a chain bump on the stitch. So here is our first stitch. Pull the needle through both loops and then this is our last stitch. Only in the back loop here we are going to work. So pull the needle through back loop only and we get this fine chain bump. Now pull these two yarn, weave these 2 yarn strands with the help of needle. So I have woven the yarn end. Now start the second round from any stitch with this yellow color yarn. Make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch here also. Then into the same stitch we are going to make 4 double crochet stitches, 1, 2, 3 and then 4, and we have total of 5 stitches here including first 3 chains. Now pull a loop, remove the hook, take this hook to this third chain, pull the loop back on the hook and pull it through this chain 3. This is called our popcorn stitch. Now make chain 1 and you can make 2 chains here as well. I am making chain 1 to make it more tight. So skip this next double crochet stitch and into the third stitch here we are going to make 5 double crochet stitches. So double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and then double crochet 5. After making 5 double crochet stitches, pull this yarn, remove the hook, go into this first double crochet stitch, take this loop back on the hook, and then pull it through the first stitch. To make a popcorn stitch, make chain 1, then skip 1 stitch into the next one, make 5 double crochet stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, pull this yarn, remove the hook, take the hook to the first stitch, take this loop back on the hook, and then pull it through the first stitch. In this way, we are going to make popcorn stitches in every second stitch till the end. So I have made all popcorn stitches and chain 1 also. Now we are going to make a slip stitch at this chain 3. You can also make a slip stitch at the top of this popcorn stitch. Now pull the yarn, cut it, and weave this yarn end with the help of needle. So I have made these 2 rounds and woven the yarn ends as well. Now for the third round, this white color yarn will be used again. I have made a slip knot of this yarn already. Now you can start from any chain 1 space between these popcorn stitches. So make chain 1 here in this space, then make a single crochet like this. This is called single crochet. So in this first space we are going to make a single crochet, and then into the next one we are going to make our petal for the flower. So wrap the yarn, go into this next chain 1 space, drop a loop, pull the yarn through 2 and then through other 2 to make a double crochet stitch. So we are going to make double crochet stitches in these chain 1 spaces. Double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and then double crochet 5. After making 5 double crochet stitches, make chain 1 and then chain 2, then into the same space make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, sorry, double crochet 4, and then double crochet 5. So this is our petal for the flower. Now in this next chain 1 space between popcorn stitches, make a single crochet like this. Now in the next chain one space we are going to make petal again. So double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, then chain 1 and chain 2, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and then double crochet 5 and a single crochet in the next chain 1 space. So repeat this process. Make 5 double crochet, 2 chains and 5 double crochet in chain 1 space and then single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Repeat it till the end of this round. So I have made all petals. Now make a slip stitch into this very first single crochet stitch right here. Pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter, and then remove the extra yarn strand. Now I will show you how to weave this end with the help of needle. Pull this needle at back side and then we are going to make a knot like this. Our end will be secure this way by making a knot like this. And now pull the needle through some backside stitches of this shell stitch. So this is how I weave the ends. Now weave this end as well. So I have woven the yarn end and flower is ready. This flower can be used in different crochet projects. You can use it in baby projects as well, and you can use this flower in baby blankets, adult size blankets, and table runners. So I hope you guys like this tutorial video. If you like it, give it big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.